How to delete Instagram account in another phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Instagram account in another phone. First things first, you want to make sure your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. You want to open up Instagram, where you should get an interface like this once you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to head into settings and privacy. And the settings and privacy, you can see the meta option there, the very first option, that is account center. You want to tap on it. Under account center, you'll find the option password and security, and if you head into it, you'll find the option where you are logged in. Tap on it, and if you have multiple multiple accounts logged into your account, it'll show up here. In my case, I haven't linked to multiple accounts, so I just have this particular account here. Tap on it and you'll get the list of logged in devices here. All you have to do is to delete it from the other device. Tap on it and you'll get the logout option. If not, if you scroll down all the way down below, you'll find select devices to log out. Tap on it and it'll ask you to select all at the right hand side. Tap on select all and you'll be able to log them out. So this way you can delete Instagram account in another phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.